In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll on WhatsApp Web. Now, whether you're coordinating with a group or simply making a decision among friends, creating a poll can be a fun and efficient way to gather opinions. So, let's dive right in to make your chatting experience more interactive and collaborative. First, we'll start by opening the web version of WhatsApp on your browser and logging into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific individual or group chat where you'd like to create your poll. It could be for your family group, your friends making weekend plans, or even your colleagues deciding on the theme for the next office get-together. Next, take a look at the bottom of your chat screen. You'll notice a variety of options to enhance your messaging experience. Find the little plus icon, which is located right next to the message box. This icon serves as a gateway to different features that WhatsApp offers, allowing you to upload documents, images, and more directly within your chat. But today, our focus is specifically on creating a poll, so go ahead and click on that plus icon. Once you click, a pop-up menu will appear, displaying several options. Among these, you'll find an option labeled Poll. Click on it to proceed. This is where the magic happens. As you select poll, you'll be prompted to enter your question, along with the possible answers. This is the key part where you can get creative and tailor your poll to suit your needs. Think about the question you want to ask and the options you want to provide. The clearer and more concise you are, the better the responses you'll receive. Whether you're choosing a movie for movie night or a location for your holiday trips, the possibilities are endless. After you've set your question and added all the necessary options, look over to ensure accuracy and clarity. Double-checking always helps minimize any confusion that might arise due to typos or misinterpretations. When everything looks good to go, you're ready for the final step. Once your poll is all set up, hit the send button. Immediately, your question and options will appear in the chat, and the responses will start rolling in. Participants in the chat can now select their preferred option and cast their votes. You'll be able to view the results as they come in, which updates in real time. And that's it. You've successfully created a poll on WhatsApp Web. This feature is not only time-saving, but also a great tool for engaging with everyone in the conversation, making decisions together, and even just having a bit of fun. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on making the most of your WhatsApp experience.